What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2020 Mercedes-AMG GLC 63. This vehicle is powered by a 4-liter twin turbocharged V8 with 469 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle can also do 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. So yeah, these 63 AMGs are really fast. And yeah, I don't think I've ever driven a GLC 63 before, so I'm excited to drive this one today. And for a 2020 model, a 6-year-old car, interior looks pretty modern. Still looks like a 23 or 24 model or something like that. You have a really nice steering wheel, flat bottom AMG wheels, look really cool. Sport Plus. You also have this exhaust button, which I really like. And I personally don't like this auto start stop, so I'm going to turn that off. You have a digital gauge cluster, center screen with Apple CarPlay, and I believe you have Android Auto as well. Yeah, you should have it, but I don't know if it's wireless or wired. I'm pretty sure it's wired on the 2020 model. You have this AMG key. You have a wireless charging tray over there, which I like. I like the placement of that. Just want to make sure my view looks good. Yep. All right. You have a Burmester sound system, AMG seats, and very nice sunroof. You have like a split sunroof, so bigger sunroof for the front and a smaller sunroof for the rear passengers. It's like a panel roof that's kind of split down in the middle. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 view camera as well as a regular view camera. You have carbon fiber interior trim. Sounds pretty awesome. And I really like the steering controls. Well, let's walk around the car and we'll go for a drive. Alright, so black exterior on this one with very dark tint, so it looks pretty sinister. V8 bi-turbo badge on the side, pretty good looking wheels. You have big AMG calipers, has Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires on it, which are great tires. Also the headlights are tinted out too. This car has a very aggressive stance, that's for sure. Rear seats are a little bit cramped considering it's a smaller SUV, but if you move the seats forward, obviously you will have more room, but still a little cramped. Quad outlet exhausts. I love the exhaust tips, they look really cool. On the 63s you have the square exhaust tips, black in color, and they say AMG on it. This car has a very wide appearance because of the fender flares and the tires and everything like that. Here's the trunk space, looks pretty good. Nothing like a nicely detailed trunk. But let's get this car out on the road now. We also have carbon fiber mirror caps. Yeah, that's pretty fast. I love the shift pedals in these AMGs. Very high quality metal shift pedals, which I really like. I like when cars have good shift pedals, as you guys know, because I use them all the time. So I don't like when they're plastic or flimsy or whatever. The seats feel pretty comfortable. They're definitely on the sportier and firm side, but still comfortable nonetheless. Yeah, that is really fast. And that V8 sounds phenomenal. It's pretty cool how a GLC has a V8. Yeah, this thing's a serious machine. Man, that steering is great. Very, very nice steering, very precise, and has good weight to it. This is a good driving SUV. Even in the Sport Plus setting, the car still feels quite comfortable, which is nice. Suspension's definitely rough, but you would expect that in a car like this. Let me put it in like a normal setting, see what that looks like. Yeah, the suspension definitely softens up when you put it in comfort mode. You don't feel like the little bumps in the road and things like that as much. So that's good. But this seems like despite being a pretty aggressive SUV, it still feels like a car that you can daily drive without feeling like you're being punished. Like for example, a BMW X3M, which is a car I used to have. Amazing SUV to drive, very aggressive, but even in the regular mode it was so harsh. Like every bump feels like every bump hurts. It feels like the X3M felt harsher than my G80 M3, which doesn't make any sense to this day to me. How an X3M feels more punishing than an M3 to drive. Mercedes did a great job with this GLC 63. I think it's really nice. But anyways, this 2020 Mercedes-AMG GLC 63 is really fun to drive. Very aggressive and sporty, and overall a great driving experience. But thanks as always for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo cars in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of performance SUVs like this one.